Hallo and welcome back to my new video series Basic Introduction Part 2 German with Julia. In today's video we're going to learn some new sentences. Do you know how to simply ask a person like how are you? And how to reply to this question in German language? There's an easy way to remember this. Now let's look at the sentences. In a formal speech, in a more polite speech, we would say, wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen? 4 words, right? In the informal speech, we would say, wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir? 4 words. Now let's look at the difference between the 2 sentences we have here. All the sentences are the same except 1 word at the end, right? So Ihnen and dir means exactly the same. It's the you form. How are you? But the difference here is, in the formal way, we say Ihnen in this context, and in the informal way, we say dir. Wie geht es Ihnen? Or wie geht es dir? Now as with time the language becomes more shorter and we use more abbreviation when we speak, especially in the informal language. Same thing we do it here. So instead of wie geht es dir, we simply say wie geht's? Wie geht's? Now you can see here, dir, we don't use it. And geht es, we just say geht's. So it becomes basically 2 words, wie geht's. Okay, wie geht es Ihnen? Formal way, how are you? Wie geht es dir? Or wie geht's? How are you? In the informal way. If you talk to friends and family, for example. Now let's look at the answers. In English, you can say, I am good. I am very good. I am not so good. I'm okay. I am not good. I am super good. So in German we have the same. Just one thing to remember, in the formal way, we like to put thank you before we say how we feel. For example, danke, gut. Danke, sehr gut. Thank you, good. Thank you, very good. Or in the informal way, you can also say alles gut. Alles gut means all good. Or you can say super means very good, super good. Es geht so. Es geht so. Okay, it's okay, I'm okay. Or if you feel really bad, you can say schlecht. Sehr schlecht, schlecht, bad. We don't use bad that often. We always say good. Alles gut, gut, sehr gut, es geht. Now let's look at the questions and look at the answers. This is how you can ask the question and this is how you can reply to the question, depending on how you feel. and what kind of person you talk to. Perfect. Now let me show you some dialogues so you can see the formal and the informal way of asking the question and replying to the question. Now let's read. Guten Tag, Frau Schmid. Wie geht es Ihnen? Danke, gut. Und Ihnen? And you? This is formal way of talking, right? Auch gut. Danke. Another example, the formal conversation. Guten Morgen, Herr Müller. Wie geht es Ihnen? Es geht. Danke. Und Ihnen? Super. Danke. Auf Wiedersehen. Now let's read the informal way of asking and replying to this question. If you talk to friends and family, for example. Hallo Julia, wie geht's? Gut, und dir? And you? Auch gut, danke. Tschüss. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, click the like button. If you're new to my channel, subscribe for more weekly videos and lessons with me. And I hope to see you soon. Thank you for watching. Take care. Tschüss. Bis bald.